are you? Welcome back once again to Life Princess Size with me, Pallavi. We haven't spoken a lot during this lockdown. I've been doing lots and lots of stuff on my Instagram, so you can follow me there if you aren't already. I've been sharing lots of fun recipes every day. But I wanted to do this video here especially for you all because this one's a little DIY, it's a little special because it's my birthday tomorrow. And just like me, a lot of you would be celebrating your birthdays or your loved ones' birthdays during this lockdown. And while we're all so lucky and so fortunate to be able to celebrate our birthdays even in times like these, it's a little bumming to not be close to your parents, your friends, your siblings, have to find ways to make things special. That's why I'm doing this really short video about cute DIYs, cute things that you can do to make yourself feel special if it's your birthday, or make your loved ones feel special if you're celebrating a lockdown birthday. So here are my ideas.
So my first suggestion for your DIY birthday gift is a homemade scented candle. For this you need an empty glass jar, a metal dish for a double boiler, broken bits of old candles, a candle wick and any essential oil of your choice, and some dried flowers. Let's get started. First up, I've got some hot water and some soap. I'm going to use that to remove the label from this glass jar. Just take a kitchen towel and just rub it off. It'll come off quite smoothly because of the soap. So because I'm so thrifty, over the years whenever I burn any nice scented candle, I always save the melted bits. So if you have those, great. Otherwise you can just melt any old candle that you have lying around. Why waste it, right? So very carefully melt it over boiling water. Next up, using my hot glue gun, I'm sticking the wick at the base of my glass jar, and with a pair of tweezers just holding the wick in place so it doesn't move, and just fill it up with dried flowers. So I'm only going to pour in a bit first, so half of the candle bits are melted, and I'm going to pour this in over the flowers. And I'm going to do this in layers for two reasons. One, so that all the flowers don't settle at the bottom, and two, you can kind of see different gradations. So I'm going to put in some more flowers and some 10-12 drops of lavender oil, and then pour in the remaining wax, some more drops of essential oil, and some of the better looking bits of flowers for the top. You can also put in some seashells or pearls, whatever you have lying around, and we're just going to leave this and let it cool. Meanwhile, let's get started with just decorating the lid, because after all we're going to be gifting this as something special. I had this old decal line. You can use whatever tapes or stickers or whatever you might have right now and just make the lid look pretty. Of course, as any crafter, I'm also obsessed with washi tape, so I'm just going to put this around the edges, and that looks nice and cute. So my candle is finally dry. As you can see the layers like we made, you can see the flowers all around the edges. Just trim the wick a little, and that's it. Your homemade DIY scented candle is ready as a nice sweet little gift. And on to our next gift, which is cake toppers. I've got some glitter glue gun sticks. I've got a hot glue gun. I've got some toothpicks and a parchment paper. I've placed my toothpicks onto the paper, and with my glitter glue sticks, I'm just tracing out whatever shapes I want. Just make sure that the glue is completely covering your toothpicks. You can also just trace out the shape directly, then insert the toothpick and just cover up the toothpick with the glitter glue so they don't show. And we're just going to leave this on, make whatever many shapes you want, and let it dry. I didn't have the right kind of paper, so it just got stuck a bit. It shouldn't happen with parchment paper, but you can easily peel it off, and you can also trim the edges if you're a perfectionist like me. And that's it. Your cake toppers in your numbers and shapes are ready, and you can make your loved one's lockdown birthday even more special by giving them this personalized decor on their cakes. It looks cute, doesn't it? So try these out and tag me when you do.